Hi, my name's Alex Smith, and I just love nature. I love to just go in the woods and just walk the trails, just try to see as much as I can. I've walked this entire forest probably 5 times over. My dream is, I just wish these trees could talk. Imagine all the things these trees have seen, all the years of history that have just happened around here, all the beautiful things they've seen. You know, it's just a dream, man. I don't think it's ever gonna happen, but someday I hope I can.
I'm a fucking tree.
What?
I'm a tree. Listen to me. I'm a tree. Listen to me. I'm a tree. Listen to me. Fucking wolves. I'm pretty sure they're in Vermont. North Vermont. They're in Canada. Obviously. So they gotta be north fucking Maine and shit. Vermont's touching that shit, you know. Dude, we're touching Canada. There's mad wolves. We got that shit going. We got some Canadian shit going, dude. There's some fucking wolves, dude. Oh, yeah, I forgot I'm a tree. Yes, look at these leaves. Look at the leaves. Oh no, it's the fall. It's coming. It's the end of September. Do you know what that means? Billy Joel is fucking cranky as shit. He just got woken up and he's smashing guitars everywhere and my leaves are gonna fall off. I'm gonna be naked. I'm gonna be fucking naked all winter long and cold and spring's gonna come and they're gonna be like, wow there, Mr. Tree, it looks like you're still having a little shrivel there. Looks like you still got shrinkage. It's pretty warm out. And I'm just like, and you know what? My little bark is always like that. And sometimes I like to touch it when mild maple syrup comes out. Yeah, I put that on your fucking waffles and fucking French sticks. That's my jizz. That's my fucking jizz. Oh, touch it till it barks. Arr, arr.
Okay. I guess.